Welcome to the Creating Custom Brushes for Photoplus X4 tutorial. We are going to cover how to convert Photoshop brushes so that they are usable in Photoplus, as well as how to create custom brushes in Photoplus. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to download the ABR viewer. And you can get that from this website. It's a free download. And that's because Photoshop brushes are .abr files, and Photoplus cannot read them. So this viewer will let us view them and convert them into PNG files, which Photoplus will be able to use. So once you have that downloaded and installed, you're going to want to find some brushes. Now the brush that we're going to be converting today is a cloud brush, and it's from Brushes.wmv, and it was created by this user. Okay, so let's go to the ABR viewer, and now we're going to go to File, Open Brush Set, and we're going to find our brushes, and we're going to click Open. Okay, processing is finished, so now we're going to go to Export Thumbnails, and we're going to find where we want to export them to, and we're going to click OK. And now we have the ABR files as PNG files. Now the other place to get brushes from is Obsidian Dawn. Now what's really great about her site is she has image packs that you can download instead of the ABR files. So you can just download those, and they're generally JPEGs. This is an Aurora brush, and it's from Obsidian Dawn. So now we have image files that we can now go into Photoplus and create brushes out of these files. So we're going to go into Photoplus. I'm going to open one of my brushes. You're going to want to go to your paintbrush tool, and you're going to want to select Picture Brush. Now, in your brush tip tab, you need to create a custom folder, and you right click it, and you do Add Category, you type in the name, you click OK, and then it will show up in this drop down. Now, all we have to do is do New Brush. I just want 1 by 1, and we're going to name this Cloud 1, and we're going to click OK. And now we have that brush. Let's test it out. Let's go to our let's close that. Let's go to our document, and we have this selected, and there we go. It works perfectly fine. Now we can do the same thing with our other file, our JPEG file. We can open that up and do the exact same thing. New brush. I like to do 1 by 1. You can change the settings however you want, and I forgot to name that. And same thing, that works perfectly fine. And that is pretty much all there is to it, using Photoplus to make custom brushes and getting the Adobe brushes to work with Photoplus. Now, you might be wondering, where are these custom brushes stored? Because I actually couldn't find them and had to go to Seraph's forums and ask. So I'm going to show you. You have to go to My Computer, go to your hard drive. Now we're actually going to go to Users. Brian's my husband, since this is primarily his computer that I'm working on. We're going to go to App Data. Now see how this is kind of a translucent folder? If you don't see an App Data folder, you need to right click and you need to go to properties and you need to go to security. Let's see, is it security? Okay, it wasn't in security. Instead of right clicking, what you need to go is you need to go to Tools, Folder Options. Click on the View tab, and you see this Hidden Files and Folders. You want to make sure this is marked Show Hidden Files and Folders, and then click OK. Now, we already have that selected on this computer, so we want to go to our App Data. We want to go to Roaming. Now we want to find our Serif folder, Photoplus. I have X3 and X4. For whatever reason, it shows up as 13 and 14. And it's actually going to be in your Picture Brush folder. And there's my custom category, and there are my brushes. So if you download from my website, I'm going to be putting up brushes that are in this format. And you can download them and you can drop them right into this folder. You'll need to have created your custom category, and you can drop them into your custom category by doing this, and they will show up and work in Photoplus. So that is all there is to it, and I hope that this helped you.